Hey everyone, today I wanted to demo a new website that I created for 2x2. It's called 2tools.com and it is essentially a solution finder for any 2x2 scramble that you give it. The solutions that it will give back to you are going to be ranked by expected speed, and they use methods commonly known such as CLL, EG1, and EG2, as well as more advanced methods like TCLL and LS. To show you an example of how it works, what you do is go into the search bar and paste in a scramble or type it in using WCA notation. Hit the search bar. On the left, you're going to see an image of what your scramble looks like, just to confirm that you get what you were expecting. And then on the right-hand side here, in this list, we're now going to get a bunch of solutions sorted by expected speed. So if we look at this first one here, it uses the CLL method, specifically the CLL method with the U subset. The first thing it does is it does these rotations from the base state and inspection, and then it shows you that you can do these 4 moves to make a layer, and lastly this AUF and algorithm to finish up the solve. If we keep scrolling down, you'll see there's a lot of solutions here that it provides using the methods that you've selected. You can also specify which face colors you want to see this on. If, for example, you wanted to see just what faces and layers you can make on the blue side, you can unselect the options for all the other colors. And now all the solutions that we see are done just on the blue. Now there's a couple of settings available to you that will help you get the most use out of this, and I'll show you those now. If you click on the settings button, you will see all the methods available for 2x2 listed out here. The ones colored, CLL, EG1, EG2, and LEG1, are the methods that I had currently selected I want to see in this list. But I can also pick on TCLL+, TCLL-, and then a couple LS methods if I want to see results using those methods. And sure enough, now we can see that the top results are both LS methods and then TCLL after that. So sometimes, depending on the methods that you use, you'll get different solutions at the top of the list, so it can be good to play around with those depending on which ones you are familiar with. Other options available to you include the face depth option. So this is a slider here that lets you select how many moves you want to allow these layers or faces to be for this particular method group. So for EG, I allowed the face depth to be up to 5 moves, so I'll allow myself to see any faces that can be used in 5 moves or less. Whereas for more difficult methods like TCLL and LS, I'm only allowing the faces or layers to be 3 moves in 4 moves here. If we change the values of these sliders, will you see that the solutions start updating? So you'll see less LS and TCLL solutions because there's less of those 2 move faces available. And the last important setting that's available to you is at the bottom here, the number of algs per case. So especially for methods like CLL, for some cases we have multiple algorithms listed, depending on the angle you are holding the cube at, or what moves you did to solve the face. Sometimes different algs can be better than one another based on cancellations or just how finger-check friendly it is from a certain position. So if we enable more than one alg by using this slider here, we will see more solutions, especially for methods like CLL pop up here, where we will do the same layer, as you can see, R', F, R2. Those are the same layers that we do for these 2 solutions, but they use different algorithms. Here we have a cancellation, and here we just go straight into the alg after an AUF. And we now have both of those as possibilities for our solve. When there are cancellations that happen, you will see them appear like this, where they're in parentheses. So where the cancellation starts in the face, you'll see an opening parenthesis here, and where it stops in the algorithm, you'll see that parenthesis close. So here the R2 and R' would cancel into just an R move. And we can see that sometimes in other solutions as they pop up where there might be longer cancellations. There would just be more moves inside of those parentheses. And so the best way to use this website is really however you want to use it. What I've used it most for so far is finding solutions to difficult scrambles where I was having trouble getting good times. I'll plug in the scramble from CS Timer and see what results it's showing for me. Sometimes it'll show solutions that would be difficult for me to find in 15 seconds because the length of the face is pretty long and it's something I wouldn't normally do. But sometimes really cool things can pop up that I hadn't considered before. This can also be useful if you are just learning a new method like TCLL and you're unsure about what ways you can make a layer. You can see examples of that by plugging in the scramble and then seeing what TCLL solutions you can do for that face. Lastly, I just wanted to mention that this website is still a work in progress, so there's going to keep being some updates and fixes to it as I run into different issues. If you find any problems, you can feel free to reach out to me and let me know. But I really hope you guys enjoy this site, and that'll be all for today. Thanks, everyone.